Hi, good morning. Jack McGrath with bakertrader.com. A lot of activity here this morning early on. The market in red March came down and made a new low for the move. 98.78 is the low, today's low. We've bounced back since retail sales. A little bit weaker headline, weaker revision. So market caught a small bid off of that. I think you have to pay attention right here at this 80.5 level in red March. This 81 is 50% on the day. So we'll keep an eye to see if we can hold here and trade up a little bit more. You have 83, 84 as your first resistance above 81, and then above there 87. 86 was high yesterday, and you have 87 as the weekly pivot. Run into some trouble there also. We failed at 86 yesterday. If we start to take out this 80.5 level, I'd look for a trade back down, maybe even a new low, 77.5, and then 75 is a big area, I think. I would not want to sell the market down there. Now, if we start to get below 75, I think it's negative, and you'd probably be looking for another big leg lower. We have seen also in this June SEP spread, good size volume. Over 20,000 have traded so far. It's trading right around 16.5, 17. Keep an eye on that 17.5, 18 level. It is resistance. We started to take out that 18 old high. The market could have some legs for another, leg up from there. Now, before we were trading you could have sold 17.5s last week, bought back 15s. We right there, 14.5 to say 17.5 has been your range. So we'll see if we can get back above 18. Then you'd look for another leg up. Below 15, you're going to look for a trade down towards 11 to 09. March, we had open interest. March 97 calls down 12,000. April 96 calls over the past week. We've seen open interest increasing in those, up another 12,000 yesterday. SEP 96 calls down 12,000. So keep an eye on that spread. I think it's a nice little trade to be active in. Like I said, 17F 18 resistance, and then you stop above 18 if you're short that, and then below 15 if you're long. I think you look for 11 to 9. So that's about it for today. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. Have a good day. Jack McGrath at bakertrader.com.